Here is a typical engineering problem that we can solve with Simbeor Commander. You receive documentation on stackup from manufacturer in this form and need to enter it into simulation software to design VS or investigate transmission line behavior. So we can use Simbeor Commander now to do this. If you right here, I use Grok for fast model and simply pick up this Excel file with stackup. And second project. Just create one from some. So the model says it fast, but it's in reasoning mode, and it will process a file and return the model. So first it created a solution for 28 gigabit per second, and next it will import the data from the stackup. So it took a minute or two to do this. So now we can see here is stackup with 20 layers, with conformal solder mask, with plating. Everything is ready for the analysis to design VS or simulate transmission line. So in this case, materials, obviously, all material models here. Stackup data does not specify roughness for copper, which is important and should be further kind of taken into account. So the next step, create models. 85 ohm. PCI, for instance, differential. This is in each layer. Plot losses. Campaign plots losses. Okay. Send. So it will take another minute or two. So the communication with the agent with a particular LLM, maybe sometimes it's faster, sometimes it's slower. But this is automation, so we can do those prompts and make it in one prompt or use a file to load the prompts and run the analysis. So let's see how it goes. And, so it created all the models in one call, and now it plotted the results. So in addition to all this, it will summarize the data. So what geometry needed to 85 ohm and what actual attenuation we are getting at the Nyquist frequency. So give it a try, because of stackup data entering is one of the most time-consuming and error-prone operations.